In this video, I will show you step by step how to earn $16 worth of crypto in just under 5 minutes. What you want to do is to click on Learn and Earn, and you'll then see that I've already earned 3 Fed because I've already done one Learn and Earn interview. Now when I go over to assets, you can also see that the Fed is actually in my account. So yes, this does work. So once you're on this page, you want to go over to fetch.ai and click on this button right here, which is right here. And you'll then see this menu. Now what you need to do is to just skip through and you'll then get the quiz. And these are the answers I used, so these are the answers that are correct. What can people create is software agents that automate tasks. The second question is what's one role of the Fed token? It's to power Fetch AI agents. And then the last question, what does Fetch.ai plan to support in the future? It's automated interactions with industries like travel and healthcare. So once you've answered these questions correctly, you will already have $3 worth of Fed in your wallet. Now you just want to go over to AMP, once again click on AMP, and you can then click through everything or just click on take quiz instantly. You'll then see the first question, what is AMP? And when you're going over to this website, it will say you that the first question is it's a collateral token. So I'm going to click on a collateral token, and you'll then see that I've just earned $1. Now you can just click on next lesson. You're gonna go back over to the website, instant settlement assurance. So click on take quiz and then click on the answer. There you go, that's $2 already. Now the last question is obviously not nothing, it's AMP rewards. So make sure to click on AMP rewards. And now you've just earned $3 in under, I think it's under 2 minutes. I'm not exactly sure. Now you're gonna scroll down once again and click on the final. And as of right now, that's Stellar Lumens, so just click on it. Now the layout will be different, however it's the same process. Just go over to the question, click on the quiz answers. A decentralized protocol that unites the world's blah blah blah. Now the next answer is right here. It ends with universal payments, so I'll just click on that one. You earn $2. Now next. The next answer is transactions are fast. Inexpensive and global, yes, make sure to double check if you're not exactly sure, because it's pretty much a $2 waste if you click on the wrong answer. It ends with efficiently, that's right here. Once again $2. And then the last and final one, which is right here, and it relies on the cooperation of trusted nodes to confirm transactions. And now you've earned once again $2. And when you click on done and you go over to your assets, and as you guys can see, I just earned $10, $3 and $3 once again, which is $16. If there's still any questions you've got at all, make sure to ask me in the comments down below, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.